What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today. We actually got some big stuff forming on here inside Dogecoin. As you can see here in the oscillator, we're going bullish right here with Dogecoin. But anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely check out the PayPal donation link and the Cash App donation link in the description. Now let's go straight over Dogecoin here. I really want to go over something big that's going on here in Dogecoin. So the first thing I want to talk about here is the 24-hour market control with the bulls. So the bulls are in control by 80% in the last 24 hours with the market of Dogecoin. So as you can see here with this, the trends here that we have here with Dogecoin, and if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. But anyways, look over here at the oscillator. You see the volume is getting bigger and bigger. So right here, you can see that the selling is becoming less prominent and the buying is kind of also trickling down as well, forming some kind of a consolidation mode right here. So as you can see, it's a little bullish right here with the oscillator. In these green areas, like I said before, these are our supply and demand areas, pretty much showing that we have lots of demand for Dogecoin. And then the red area is our area where it's showing that we have less demand. So what I wanted to mention here is that Dogecoin has been pretty subtle all day. Like the whole day, it's been pretty sideways. Like it's just been moving sideways. Now hasn't really been wanting to go up much right here. This is like the most that we jumped up here today on this uptrend here, and then we got pretty much denied here at our supply and demand area where we had not so much demand at. So since we're kind of inside of a sideways trading pattern, it kind of shows that we're a little bit of a consolidation mode right here with Dogecoin. And this is actually really good when you're looking at it from a bullish viewpoint, because it's just a 1 minute chart. But even if you look at the 15-minute chart here, you can see Dogecoin really has been pretty stagnant for the longest time. And let's take off the trading indicators. Like as you can see, we've been really stuck at the support line right here around 2450. So we've really been trading around this area for a pretty long time here. Pretty much since early October, even back in September, we were still trading around this same area. So Dogecoin is definitely forming something right now. It's like something is forming up here in Dogecoin. Now over here, Dogecoin price prediction. Doge posed for 64% breakout if this key level breaks. So if we break this key level, they're pretty much saying that we're going to have a 64% breakout. And this is pretty big because this consolidation has been going on for a while. So yeah, I've been making videos like back to back saying like, look, Dogecoin is about to do something that even though nothing has happened, nothing big has happened, it's still going to happen, because that's just the way the technicals are moving right now. So Dogecoin is more of a long play as well. It's not something that you just get in, get out. Dogecoin has been moving since 2014. So you can't really expect it to just go like that and do some random jumps and random movements. Like you don't do the same thing with Bitcoin. You don't expect Bitcoin to go up 1000% in one day. It just doesn't happen like that. And the same thing with Dogecoin. The market cap's so high, it will not move 1000% in a day like people want it to move. Like it's just not going to happen like that. It won't even move. Probably it could actually move 100% in a day because it's done that before. But like 1000% is not going to do that. But anyways, let's go over this. So Dogecoin price looks ready for a 64% climb as it moves higher toward the upper boundary of the symmetrical triangle pattern. And a break above the 26.9 area could put the bullish target for 43.5. So look, they're saying if we get above 26.9, which is pretty much 27 cents, then we're going to go bullish all the way up to 43.5, which is 43 cents. So if we can actually get above 26 cents or 27 really, then we're really going to be bullish here with Dogecoin. So I definitely have faith in Dogecoin and making it past that area. Doge may discover a strong foothold at 24.2 if selling pressure spikes. That means that we're going to have some support around there, because you already see that we're at 24.5. So our support comes right around here at 24.2, where we have this Fibonacci retracement level. So over here, you can see Dogecoin price is preparing for a 64% rally. Dogecoin price to clear one last barrier though. Dogecoin has formed a symmetrical triangle on the daily chart as the bulls catch their breath. As you can see here, the market control is in control by the bulls by 80%. With this trading indicator that you can see if it loads up here. So yeah, 100% when you look at it from the 15-minute chart. The bulls are in control by 100% when you look at it from that chart. So that's some pretty big stuff right there. So while Doge consolidates, like I said earlier, we're consolidating. While Doge consolidates, the token is supported by a few significant technical indicators, suggesting that the token is posed to aim higher. So the prevailing chart pattern suggests a 64% climb for Dogecoin price if the token manages to slice above the upper boundary area of 26.9, pretty much 27 cents. Now, before the bulls can anticipate a bull run toward the optimistic target, Doge would also need to conquer the nearest resistance level at 25.5. So they're also saying first we're going to have to pass 25.5 before we actually get to 27 cents, because that's just what we got to do. So now the next thing I want to talk about here with Dogecoin, if a spike in buying pressure continues and occurs and Doge breaks out from 27 cents, then likely we would continue to rise there to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, coinciding with a 200-day simple moving average at 27.7. Now, additional hurdles may emerge at the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement at 31 cents and eventually 35 cents before it hits that bullish target of 43 cents. So we're definitely going to see something big in Dogecoin here. And this is a little technical analysis that they're showing here. They're showing that we're doing this little consolidation here. They're looking at it from the 1-day chart. That's why you see it. Don't see the same symmetrical triangle over here, because if I go over here to the 1-day chart, you can definitely see the same thing that they're talking about. So first we'd have to take that off, and for some reason it's messing up on me right now. But yeah, I can scroll in here and then you can see it more better over here. And that's pretty much what they're talking about here. They're showing this whole symmetrical triangle that we have going on. But anyways, let's move on from that. So given that Dogecoin price is still trapped in a consolidation pattern, Doge could still oscillate within the governing technical pattern until a decisive move towards the upside. So I was showing the oscillator before, and I was showing you what it was showing us. So as you can see here, we were a little bit overbought here in Dogecoin, and that's why we're a little bit on a little downtrend here. But still, we still have big potential here inside Dogecoin. Now let's go back over here to 15-minute chart. You can see these green areas forming right here on the oscillator, showing that the bulls are taking back control, as the bulls are in control by 100% in the last 24 hours when looking at it from the 15-minute chart. Now, as you can see here, minor sell-offs in Doge could occur, eventually leading us down to 24.2. But I don't know how, prominent that's going to be. So over here, adding credence to the strength of the support level is the in to the blocks in/out. Money around that price, I don't even know what that is, indicating that 80,240 addresses purchased 14.73 billion Doge. That's pretty big right there. 80,240 addresses purchased 14.73 billion Doge at an average price of 24.2. Now, so many different Dogecoin whales are coming in and out. So this Dogecoin whale right here came in with $105 million today. Like, I'm going to show you all these whales and show you why these whales are doing this and what's happening. But they're not wrong about that. 14.73 billion Doge was really bought by 80,000 addresses there. So additional lines of defense will appear at the 20-day and 50-day SMAs, which sit at 23.8 before dropping lower towards the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. It could eventually lead us to 23.3 and then eventually to 21.3 if we go on a bearish movement. That's if we go bearish. Now over here, Dogecoin to outperform Shiba Inu even in a downswing. That's what they're saying. And they're still talking about the same 27-cent resistance that we have to break in order to hit our bull run. And they're talking about how we're consolidating inside the cloud and then how we have to retest our key resistance to, break out pretty much. That's pretty much what they're going on here. So Dogecoin price may find itself under threat from a breakdown. If it tests 23-cent value, then it'll probably eventually test 19 cents is pretty much what they're saying. Shiba Inu is also inside consolidation. I'm going to be doing my Shiba Inu video next, so I'll let you all know when that comes out. That's going to be coming out right after this one. So anyways, the critical level for Dogecoin to pass would be 27 cents, as we already know. And then we're going to have some resistance around 35 cents and 37 cents. So big stuff is going on here with Dogecoin. Now I'm going to show you what I was talking about. So this is it, everyone. This is big stuff right here. Shout out to Dupen for doing this on Reddit and actually letting us know about this. Now, this came directly from Elon Musk himself. So first, UberFacts tweeted, Elon Musk is predicted to become the world's first trillionaire thanks to SpaceX. And then on top of that, Elon Musk says, in Dogecoin. So that sent a whole rally inside of the Dogecoin army. And, people just started buying Dogecoin because Elon Musk finally made a statement about it. He needs to make his own tweet, but he's just responding to other people's tweets. Now, the reason why I'm showing this is because, look, just because of that tweet right there, you can see that tweet happened yesterday as well. So today, or actually in the last 7 days, we have 6.3% up inside the last 7 days. Not too much. But I'm going to show you what that tweet did. That tweet sent people buying Dogecoin like mad. This Dogecoin whale bought 105 million Dogecoins. Well, not 105 million Dogecoins, 427 million Dogecoins, which is $105 million. Today, literally today, this Dogecoin whale bought $105 million worth of Dogecoin. This next Dogecoin whale bought about $70.4 million worth of Dogecoin, and he did that today. This next Dogecoin whale did the same thing today, and 47 million. They also got out today. So over here, this Dogecoin whale came in today, 25.9 million. And over here, $1.1 billion yesterday. That's a lot, $1.17 billion. Huge money right there being purchased in Dogecoin, and $339 million. So the previous article that we just looked at by FSG was talking about how 80,000 addresses in Dogecoin just now bought 14 billion Dogecoins, 14.32 billion. So that's a lot of money in Dogecoin that was just now spent on it. So a lot of people are definitely buying in on Dogecoin now that we have Elon Musk talking about it, now that we have these bullish signals here in Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is starting to trend on Twitter as well. So we have big stuff going on here, but Dogecoin, you just can't doubt it. You can't expect Dogecoin to bring you 1,000% gains in a day. You can't expect Dogecoin to bring you 1,000% gains in a week. You can't expect Dogecoin to bring you 1,000 gains inside of a month. Like, you just can't expect that type of stuff. And it's like all those short-term people who are coming in Dogecoin and hating on Dogecoin, just get out, because we don't want you here in Dogecoin if you're short-term and hating on Dogecoin. So don't hate on Dogecoin. Dogecoin definitely has some potential here. We just got to keep pushing on with this, because it's just how it works with crypto, especially with higher market cap cryptos. We don't just do 100x inside of a month inside of Dogecoin. It just doesn't. It did happen like that, but no longer, because the market cap is too high for it to happen like that. So anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But yeah, if you do like the video, though, hit the like button, subscribe, because it will really help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send some PayPal donations or Cash App donations in the link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.